Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best GoPro accessories kits that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Lexabell Accessories Kit. Do you want the best GoPro accessories kit that will suit your GoPro camera perfectly? This is a high-quality GoPro accessories kit with the best accessories to enhance the services of your GoPro. For example, it features a selfie stick that will enable you to record some of the most adventurous moments. It also comes with a wrist mount strap, a head strap mount, and an adjustable chest strap mount for the Acaso action camera that will make it easier to shoot all your favorite photos. To get the accessories kit today, you just need to make your order today and it will be delivered within the estimated time. Moving on at number 4, we have Zoji Accessories Kit. This is another world-class and one of the best GoPro accessories kits on the market today that you need to give a try. It comes with high-quality accessories like the monopod handheld mount that makes it user-friendly. It also features a chest belt strap mount and a J-hook buckle that will enable you to install the GoPro camera on the chest. Apart from this, it also offers you an adjustable wrist strap mount with about 3-way adjustable pivot arm. With this, you can easily adjust the camera to any given position for the best shooting and recording. At number 3, we have Science Purchase Accessories Kit. Are you looking for the best GoPro accessories kit that will suit the GoPro Hero 3 Plus, Hero 3, Hero 2, and Hero cameras? This is a versatile GoPro accessories kit that comes with 33 pieces of useful accessories you will definitely like. The accessories are user-friendly and will assure you of quality and reliable service. Despite being one of the best GoPro accessories on the market, it is relatively cheap and affordable. At number 2, we have our Lepow Kit 40 Accessories. It is always amazing to find up to 40 different accessories in a single kit, and this is what you will be assured of when you try out this quality accessories kit. It comes with different accessories like the adjustable head strap that will enable you to use the GoPro camera on the helmet or on the head. It will offer you some of the best multifunctional sets that will enable you to shoot your favorite photos without asking for help from anybody. Besides this, it comes with perfect accessories that are great for use in autocycle bicycle riding, boating, hiking, fishing, and skiing among others. And finally at number 1. Kit for GoPro Accessories Session. While in the filming action, you need to be very safe. For the best GoPro accessories kit that will guarantee you the highest quality material to keep you safe, then this is a perfect choice. It comes with a kit bundle for Hero 1 to 5 that are all compatible with all action cameras like the SJ4000 and SJ5000 among others. This, therefore, implies that it is a very versatile accessories kit you need to give a try. It comes with over 31 different accessories like tripods, memory card, mounts, and harnesses among others. Get it today and you will definitely like it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.